Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can appear or disappear home button in Brave browser. Right now you can see on the top left side of my Brave browser, you can see that there is a home page button. So if you don't have in your Brave browser, so let me tell you how you can appear the home button. So now you have to click on the three lines on the right side, click on that and go to the setting. After that, click on the appearance and here you will see that there is a toolbar option and here you can see there is a toggle button. You need to click the off and then you will see that the home button is gone, and if you turn it on and you will be see that the home button will be appeared here. Further, you can also select this option radio button, check this the radio button and enter the path of your website. Right now my home button is routed to google.com. You can type any website URL here to route you directly to the that web page. So if you think this video is helpful to you, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.